No blinking.
No blinking?
Keep going.
They teach you that in class. You don't want to blink.
One round in, or?
Last one. And then go back?
No clip, that's why.
Does it drop?
So it fell out of the thing.
Huh. Hey, it gives you the last try.
No safety.